Here's a little update of how it's going along. Yep. Everything's coming out nice. Now the dust hood actually fit perfect. I ain't to do nothing to it. Just force it in there a little bit. And the reducer, I did have to heat it up in order to make it fit. And then that computer stand, I just took it apart. I used the pole. I didn't needed to use the extended arm. You could just put a string in it, and it was just perfect for the engraver. So now all I need to do is connect the hose, find an escape route for it, and turn it on and see how it works. So when I get that done, then I'll show you how's it working. But so far I'm happy with it. And the good thing too, I can just take it out if I need to. You know, I just can remove it and put it back on. So that way, in case if I need room to get under there. But I think that should be okay. So, hey, if you liked this video and the idea that I came up with, hey, give me a like. I'll really appreciate it.